Here are two ways to check the strength of your passwords and if they've been compromised in a data breach. So let's get started. The first method is using Google Password Manager. For this, you have to open Chrome and then click on the three dots which are on the top right. Then go to Settings and here select Autofill and Passwords. Then Google Password Manager and then click on Checkup, which is the second option. So now it's checking all of your passwords and these are the results. So here they've said that no passwords have been compromised, but 6 passwords have been reused. So if I want to see which sites have reused the same passwords, I can click on this and here I can see the sites which have the same password. And the next thing you get to know is how strong your passwords are. So here they've detected 9 weak passwords and if I click on it, here they tell me which sites have weak passwords and I can change them from here just by clicking Change Password. And if you want to add more passwords to this list, it's really simple. Just click on Passwords, that's the first option. Then Add, which is on top. Then here, just add your site, username and password. So I'll quickly do that. And now if you go to Checkup and then just refresh, here you can see the number of sites have increased. So this was the first method. And now the second way is by using a third-party website called I Been Pwned. So just go to a new tab and now search for I Been Pwned passwords. Click on the first link. And here it's really simple. You just have to enter the password that you want to check. So for now, I'll put a random password. And then just click on Check. And this tells you if this password has been seen in a data breach before. So here they've said that it's been seen so many times and you should change it. So the same way, you can keep entering passwords and then check if they've been in any data breach. So this is how it works. And if you want to know some Chrome privacy and security settings, check out this video. Goodbye.